Welcome to Zoomers. Today we'll be looking at the 2018 Forest River Hemisphere GLX 368RLBH. Quite a mouthful, but I do think you will enjoy looking at this 2018 Hemisphere. Let's take a look at the basement. We have large pass-through storage, as well as a nice outdoor shower. This fifth wheel has 50 amp service. It is also 42 feet in length and sleeps 9 people. Currently this camper is available for $29,900. That is about $21K under MSRP. I'll go up a bit of a hill here, so please bear with me. We'll see there's a rear ladder with rooftop access. As we make our way around here, you will see that we have an outdoor kitchen, complete with refrigerator, plumbed sink, and storage above. Get a nice view of this fifth wheel here. And then we're going to go up these solid steps and take a look at the inside. But before we do that, we'll see that we have the extended season package. Now that we are inside, you'll see that this is a very comfortable camper with everything you need to enjoy a pleasant camping experience. Whirlpool fridge, microwave, counter space, stove top. We have a beautiful kitchen island with cutting board and some storage underneath. In the entertainment center, we have our TV and fireplace to keep you warm. Or in the summertime, if you would like a fan, we also have that. Overhead cabinetry, couch with end tables. Directly across from the TV, you have theater seating. The perfect way to enjoy the show. More overhead cabinetry. We have dinette, which can turn into more sleeping. One of my favorite parts of this camper is this additional room. It's very versatile. You have a couch with storage, but you also have a bunk you can bring down. Place to hang your coats. You have what could be a wardrobe or just more storage. What could be a desk that also has a TV hookup. So whether you need a spare room, a spare bedroom, or an office while you're away, this room will give you a secluded place to do just that. As we make our way up the stairs, we have this nice railing here. Let's take a look at the bathroom. You got medicine cabinet, sink, foot flush toilet, a nice shower with a nice skylight above, some hooks, and some storage just above the toilet. Let's take a look at the bedroom. As you can see, it's very comfortable. Space to walk around the bed, some lights above the bed, sliding doors in your closet, full dresser, a swing TV mount. If you look in the closet, you will see there's plenty of space, as well as a washer-dryer hookup. This camper has everything you need whether you're camping for a few days or longer than that. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of our used 2018 Hemisphere. Feel free to give us a call or check us out at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.